Okay, so what we're doing is the small scale reaction lab. This is the demonstration where we are adding an iron nail to copper 2 chloride. This is the copper 2 chloride. We're using 1 molar copper 2 chloride. This is the iron nail. Okay, we have 1 iron nail in a test tube as a control, and I do have some copper 2 chloride in a test tube as control. I will leave that one in the test tube rack so that you can check it against. This is our test tube that we're using for the experiment. I will add some copper 2 chloride to the test tube. I'm adding enough of the copper 2 chloride to the test tube that it will completely cover and submerge the nail because I want a complete coverage. Anybody remember that essential understanding? Where does all reactions occur at? All reactions occur at where? At the, come on, this is a SA. Okay, for the umpteenth bajillionth time, all reactions occur at the surface area. So if I want to have the maximum reaction, the entire surface has to be covered. So I'm going to add this too. It's completely covered. Notice right away what happened to that nail as soon as it got covered in there. Well, the water was already blue. See? It was already blue before. But what's happening to that nail right away? Compared to this nail here. Oh, it flipped. Didn't flip. Does it? I don't know. Can't tell. The water's too blurry. It got blurry actually, but it also got bigger. It looks bigger. Why does it look bigger? Go ahead, Carter. The copper that's in the compound is coming out of the solution and is coating around the nail. As the nail is being dissolved into the solution and the copper is coming out, where's the copper going to initially come out at? It's going to attach to that nail. If I take this nail and I shake it a little bit, you guys see those little particles coming off? That's the copper coming off. Notice when I do that, what happens to that nail? It gets thin again. I'm just shaking the copper off of that nail. What's happening to the color of that solution now? It's changing colors. Okay? Now, let's do some comparison. This is second hour. That's what second hours look like. This is first hours. You see the differences? Yeah. So as we go through the period, you guys are going to need to get some more observations of yours especially. I recommend that you go by the hood, grab these 3, just like this, put it inside of the hood and take your picture of the 3 just like this compared to each other. That way you're not getting any students' faces in your pictures. You can take that picture and you can put it into your observations. Everybody have that? All right. Check back later and we'll have we'll have 4 periods worth of videos up on YouTube.